Hey, welcome back. Today we are going to be doing a couple of touch-ups on my wheels, get them ready for the rally this summer. They're starting to get a bit of paint chipping, as you can see here. One of them actually has a little bit of curb rash, so we're gonna sand it down. We're going to get it ready. It's a little chilly to be painting today, so we'll probably do that tomorrow. It's supposed to be several degrees warmer, so we will see what we can do. Anyway, so what I'm using, and this may not work. I'll be honest, I don't know. I've never tried this before. I've got my drill here. Velcro pad on it, and I've got some sanding discs that I'm going to try out. Why is this thing being all wonky? Sorry, I'm trying my powered gimbal here, and it's behaving very weird. It might be a little cold for it, so if the camera work gets a little off, sorry about that. All right, so yeah, I'm going to select a sanding disc. I literally just got this kit, so I'm not sure what grits it has. So I'm going to start with something medium. I don't really need to go crazy, especially for this one little spot on here. Yeah, that one little spot right there. I don't need to go too crazy. I'm pretty sure it'll be all right with a medium, and then something a little finer to level it out. I'm going to pick up some brake cleaner from work tomorrow as well to make sure the surface is really nice and clean before I try painting it. And one way or another, it's going to look better, I hope. Otherwise, well, I guess I'll send the set off to Winnipeg Wheel before summer and get them done by the pros. Anyway, I'm going to grab a sanding disc and see what we can do. So I'm going to start with 100 grit. That should be good enough to take care of that. Unfortunately, it's kind of around the lip, but let's see what happens. Basically what I'm trying to do is get rid of all the paint that's already peeling. So maybe if I just pick that off, see what we do here. Well, that's definitely nice and smooth now, so that one should be good to go. It's actually, I don't even know if I need to go, I might need to go rougher than 100 to finish that up so the paint actually has something to grab. But anyway, let's move on to the next one. I don't think this one really has much to worry about. A couple of little spots around the outer edge there. Now let's get into one that actually has some damage, like, oh, this one's just peeling terribly. It's not even damaged. Yeah, this is a front. So pull that right off, and I guess we'll kind of do the same. Just get it nice and smooth for when I go to paint it, because yeah, that's certainly not good. And obviously it doesn't take much. I'm kind of feeling like I might be better off actually taking these to the pros. But I'll try it. I will try it. Why not? Everything's a video, right? All right. And then there's this one. Oh, yeah. This one is very unhappy. It's got all kinds of curb rash. Don't ask. So, gotta smooth that out nicely and see what we can accomplish with this. So this 100 grit's working quite well. Okay, well, that actually went a lot faster than I expected. So, I'm going to end that here for tonight. Like I said, it's too cold to paint, and I need to get the brake cleaner from work anyway to make sure that these are properly clean. So we will pick this up tomorrow when it's warmer, and see you in a few seconds. Okay, welcome back. Honestly, it's been a couple of weeks. The next days after I started this video were supposed to be really nice, and the weather took a big dump. So it's finally getting nice enough out, so I'm going to get these masked off tonight. It's Friday night now. I still have to go get some acetone to do a proper cleaning of the surface, which I probably will do tomorrow after Cars and Coffee. And then I will get the heater on tomorrow as well to make sure that the wheels are warm enough to do the painting on. So anyway, I'm going to get to masking this right now, and then I'm going to go in for dinner because it's Friday night and I just got home from work. Now I'm going to mask it off probably slightly differently than most people would. I'm gonna go around like this, and I'm gonna be a little over, and then I'm gonna come back with a knife and cut it off. I figure that's gonna give me a better mask than trying to do it with paper or some other stuff. Although I could be wrong. We'll find out. Okay, I'm going to get the other two done because the fourth one doesn't need any touch-ups. And I'll see you guys tomorrow when I've got the acetone and we'll get these painted. Okay, so that's the two wheels done that need to be done. I'm just going to do a couple of really spot dabs with the other ones with a little brush. So I'm going to go in, have dinner, go to the store, get a couple more supplies, the acetone in particular. It's really all I still need. And we'll be back tomorrow to get these painted and get them back on the car because the weather has finally started cooperating. See you tomorrow. Okay, Saturday morning. The wheels are going to get done this afternoon. Picked up the acetone last night, but now we're headed off to Cars and Coffee. I don't know how many vehicles are going to be there. Hopefully a bunch of the guys have decided that, you know, the weather is finally nice enough to bring out the Ferraris and Lambos. But gonna go have some amazing coffee over at DeLuca's, and we'll see you there. Yeah. So not a bad turnout so far for the first Saturday. I don't think everybody is really prepared to bring their cars out yet, but anyway, that's Cars and Coffee for now. I'll see you back in the garage. Okay, fun's over for now. Back in the garage, and we're gonna start trimming the tape so we can get these wiped down and painted. So here we go. Using a fresh X-Acto, so this thing should be pretty sharp, I hope. Anyway, yeah, so let's get to it. One thing I want to make very, very, very clear. I have no idea if what I'm doing is going to work or if this is the right way or anything, so don't take this as a how-to, please. And if I am doing something wrong, I'm sure you'll let me know in the comments, and that's totally cool. This is just I'm trying it, and as I said before, you know, weeks ago when I first started recording this, if it doesn't work out, I will send them to Winnipeg Wheel Works and get them done properly. So yeah, either way they're going to end up good. I just don't know how long it's going to take. Anyway, so we got the first one done. You don't need to bore yourselves watching me do the second one. So I'll get that done, and then we'll get back to wiping them down and painting. So this is an old rag I was using for cleaning the car once upon a time. Obviously I won't be doing that anymore. And yeah, I realized that really backlit there, so that might screw things up. But this is what came off of the wheel when I was cleaning it, so definitely a good idea. Got this first one painted. We'll well, the first coat anyway. We'll do the second one with the acetone, give that a spray and go back and forth a couple of times, and yeah, hope for the best. Well, it's a few hours later. Done as many coats as I'm going to do. Are they perfect? Obviously not. That would require powder coating or a proper spray gun and a spray booth and sandblast them down. But I think they turned out all right for what they are. Kind of tough to see, I guess, here in the dark of the garage, but I can live with that. So I guess the next step is tomorrow I'm going to put them on the car because I don't have all the tools I need. I know, weird, right? I used to. I sold them when I didn't have a place to store them. So time to start rebuilding the collection. Anyway, so the next time you see these, they will be back on the car, ready for Summer Fuel Rally, and I will catch you guys next video. Thanks for watching.